Okay, Qi Sha. Qi Sha, just be mindful. Qi Sha, this particular word itself, are used in this 八字. This Qi Sha word itself is the same as this Qi Sha in 紫微斗数. But be mindful is that the meaning would be quite different. Okay. This is called a seven killing. Okay, like to win, brave and capable. Okay, like to win, same thing. Like it's a 贪婪, the wolf. Comparatively, seven killing passion to win is not as high as the wolf. The wolf is the number one. This one is still strong, but it's not as strong as the wolf. Okay. Okay, seven killing is a person that is always do things very adventurous like to do things one. That means you tell them to do certain things, okay, they will do one. And sometimes because they don't really go through their brains, they make a lot of mistakes. So usually what we do things is we analyze the thing already, right? After that, we say, okay, confirm, let's do this particular project. Then we do it. But seven killing people, they say, okay, they don't really spend too much time on thinking and analyzing. Just, okay, let's do it. And then anything then happen, then we talk about it first later on. So usually they will move on. Do first, then think, rather than think first, then do. So in that area is a bit challenging for them. That means tend to make a bit of mistake here and there. In a way, can be quite impatient. It means they want to get things done pretty fast. Okay. But they are fighter. Fighter in a way that they when they fall down, they'll come back again. They'll climb up and stand up again and then continue their journey. So not easily to be beaten for a person who is a seven killing person. Okay, blood related, death related. This is not talking about the person. This is talking about the situation. Remember that in Qi last time, we have this particular thing, all the divinations, describing about certain things. Okay, this seven killing is one of the things that we can use for all the stars. We can also describe certain scenario. So when the activation of this seven killing comes in, there will be blood-related activities or death-related activities. This one will happen in the 10-year cycle, in the yearly cycle or the monthly cycle. That one's a bit like Tai Sui, those type, last time we talked about. Okay, but just for you to see that there's some implication to apply later on. Okay, just for you to know. Okay, evil force, which means that this person may be an evil person. If the negative energy applies to the seven killing, they can turn from a good person to become an evil person. When is it going to happen? We also can see. But of course, this is just basing on individual style only. If it's the only star inside that palace that has this seven killing, then it is going to be very strong. When the activation time that is negative comes in, something bad will happen. Okay, that means evil intention will come in. Okay. But of course, temper-wise, very bad. Loyal person, yes, definitely. Okay. Because they are super loyal, they are willing to sacrifice. It means, let's say, for example, if you have a staff or you have a friend that is a seven killing person, you ask them to do anything for you, and if they believe that it's worth helping you, they will do anything for you. That's how loyal they are, comparatively. That's why seven killing people is like, when you get a wrong leader on top of a seven killing person, then they will direct the seven killing person to anywhere, anything, good or bad. Seriously, this person doesn't really care. Because loyalty comes first. They're loyal to the leader tells them what to do, they will do. So imagine if the cyber killing person, it is below a person that is a tribe. It means an evil force. Somebody who is a gangster, head of a gangster. Then they will just follow orders to the tribe, to the leader. So that's how people able to use seven killing people to do things. Okay. But anyhow, that's a bit too much already.